Hey guys, it's Lem here again, your tech guide. So today I'm going to be showing you guys some OnePlus 7 Pro cases here. I got from a company called Olixar. So they sent out a couple of cases for me to check out. And the one that I've got right now here, this is pretty much the stock one that came inside the box. It is a clear silicone case, and it does have some thickness to it compared to the other cases that I usually get, which is the slim profile. And I don't know, I'm not really digging the clear cases, the one that came inside the box. So that's why today we are going to be checking out these other cases that was sent out to me from Olixar. So this one here, this is the first case that we're going to check out. Let's open this up and we'll try it on and see what it looks like. So this is the first case right here. It's got that nice leather texture feel to it, with some few stitches right in the middle to give that extra look to it. And the sides, you do have the power button and the slider here. They're exposed. On the other side, it is covered. Bottom, they are exposed. And of course, you got your camera cutouts. Oh, you know what? This is actually for the 6T, this one. So they did send out two type of cases, the 6T and the 7 Pro. So let's check out the 6T right there, since I already unboxed it or opened it. So if you're interested in this somewhat of a leather silicone texture case, this could be the one that you are looking for. So there you go. It's got a nice feel to it. It is somewhat of a slim profile look to it. So this one I already opened up. It is a silicone case. You do have all the cutouts that you need for the device itself. You do have your pop-up camera hole on the top right there. The sides are covered except for the slider here, the silent slider. That one's exposed. The bottom are fully exposed. And also at the same time, I'm actually testing out my brand new camera. This is the Sony a6400. And I am just enjoying this flip up monitor, guys. It's so handy. So let's put this on this new case here, and boom, there you go. Nice looking case here. It's all blacked out, feels great in the hand, and yeah. And then on the front, it does have a lip there on the front, so your front screen display will be protected if it does drop on the front side. Okay. And of course the back camera here, plenty of elevation. And yeah, we could even test out the camera, the pop-up camera, that it is safe to use it. There you go. So you got plenty of holes up there. Okay, so let's go move on to the next case. So this one is still the 6T. That's a clear one with a black outer trim. Looks really nice. Another 6T, guys, another 6T case. So I might be doing a giveaway on these guys. I don't really need them. It's just gonna be collecting dust in my place, so I don't need that. If you guys are interested, just leave me a comment down below and let me know. And I hope this is the 7 Pro now. It looks like this is a rugged looking case here. It is somewhat of a rugged kind of design. It's got a flip kickstand in the back here. So if you are watching a movie or and so forth, you can just tilt it on the back and watch it like so. All right, so let's, oh, it is a two-piece case right here. So you can see, two-piece case. One is the plastic and the other one is the silicone rubber case. So we could just insert our our 7 Pro here like so. It fits snugly in there, and we could just put the plastic outer shell and it just snaps on nicely there. So that's what it looks like, guys. Your slider, silent slider here is exposed, and the bottom fully exposed, and on the side here they are covered. And of course the camera on the top is open, and we are going to be testing it out and see how it works. Right there, open up, close. Gotta be focused here. Open up. Okay, so there you have it, guys. Those are the cases for your OnePlus 7 Pro and the 6T. I will put links on the description below if you guys are interested in them. And all these cases here that I have, guys, it will be pretty much a giveaway. Let me know if you guys are interested, and hopefully you guys will get them. So once again, guys, thank you for watching. Until then, I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.